Today we are going to see how to put background in Tableau using Figma. So what we are going to do first is we'll go to Figma, which is this. We'll make a dashboard. Let's put it 1200 by 700. Okay, and let's make this bit, I'll say black, and reduce its opacity to, let's do this using cadet, reduce its opacity to, else we can use this. Okay, this looks better. So once this is done, click on export. You can preview what is there, export, and it's exported. Now let's go to Tableau. Once we'll start Tableau, okay, let me do this again for you. So from here we'll select image. First we'll put the same parameters over here, which is 1200 by 700. Then we'll drop this image. I'll choose that image. This was the image. Apply. Okay, as you can see there is some padding. So to remove this padding, I'll go to this layout. I'll select the style. So there is a default padding of 8. Let's put this to 0. Let me show you, like, if we'll not do this, how it will look like. So as you can see, if I put this in onto presentation mode, there's a padding. Let's set it 0. We have another padding which is on this image. And let's put that to 0 as well. Now if you can see, the dashboard, we don't have any padding, and if I'll put this to presentation mode, you can see there is no padding at all. So that's how we put background in the Tableau.